Guys, just a quick video on changing your lights out on a Toyota Hilux. This is this particular model is a 2006 3-liter diesel 4D. I'm not sure what the 4D stands for, but it's this one's the E series, but I guess with any of them they're pretty much the same. The lights I think are the same from 2004 to 2011. We can see these are really fogged up and they've gone yellowing. The acrylic or whatever this is, perspex, is just UV damage over the years. You can polish this out with very light grade sand, wet and dry, but it takes a long time and it just doesn't seem to last. I've done it before. Now this is the one I've just put in, so you can see it's so nice to have a brand new light on there, and at 800 baht, like $25 US. This is for a complete assembly. I can't believe how reasonable this is. This arrives in an enormous box, really professionally packed. There's one down the left-hand lamp, still here in a bubble wrap. So this is a complete assembly. So now don't make the mistake I made and think you're going to buy the perspex cover on its own, because this appears to me anyway to be glued in. I separated all these little clips. In fact, I can see the glue on them coming out here of these new units. So yeah, it's all glued together. So I initially bought the just the front lens cover, and it's not much more money just to buy the complete unit, so do yourself a favor and buy the complete unit. So the only thing is, of course, to get to certain attachment bolts, this one in particular on the side here, you have to dislodge the grille and the bumper, and it's best to do it in one piece. Here there are clips you can separate the radiator cover or grille cover. I don't know if you can see it down here, some weird clips, but they're quite difficult to get out. I found I didn't want to snap anything off. So, a little bit trickier part of it. It's not too bad. Underneath, as you can see there's 1, 2, 3 screws, 1, 2 plastic poppers. There's one coming out, easy peasy. There's another 3 screws this side, and the trickiest part is this one here. There's actually a slot cut out, so that's underneath the wheel arch, and looking forward there's a popper in there that joins the fender to the bumper, one on each side, and that's there's one here as well by the looks. We'll get it off and see if that's the case. So other than that, it's here's the bolts that have come out of this car anyway, and there's basically, I don't know, a dozen or so, maybe 14 of these posi drive. I think it's a 10mm socket to put on there if you want to take it out with I'm using this little ratchet socket, 10mm, and there's a couple of these and many of these plastic clips. Not that many, probably I've broken a few of them. So that's the other thing. Do yourself another favor and spend a couple of dollars literally for a pack of these things. And all this stuff's been bought on Lazada, and the supplier of these particular lights or headlamps assemblies is Wichin Dynamic Industry Company, Diamond brand, I guess that is. And the rest of it's all in Thai, so I don't know. But yeah, these appear to be really nice quality and fit perfectly. So I'm very pleased with that so far. So it's you probably want to leave yourself an hour or two to do this job, and all you need is a screwdriver, posi drive for Phillips, and a 10mm spanner. Maybe a smaller screwdriver to pop these. All you do with these things is you raise the little mushroom in the middle, so that's the position to disconnect, and that's how it is when it's to secure it. You just pop that head back down. That's the secure position. And that's about it. 50 bucks, new set of lamps, easy.